Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Nakadago jing bamyo gas kini kedukan sya kebedan hamat peran kebelatip kom ka Shonak Sweets and Snack kelapenan kam na ke diesel ban syat bantiu Hindray ke kam rasyat kelakem ding penban. Lapen kendian awut iki beri buan di syahabat kinong tray kaya kon ban pelip ya kading bat kam hadin lawan poi ka kali pelip ding. Kadago jing kem ding kedai namar bagi penan kam da ke diesel.
Still photography with us because we cannot take photograph.
हम लोग नहीं बताएगा सर, हम लोग तो दूसरा होटल का है।
So you guys are using diesel, not gas?
No supply only,
No supply.
not even a single cylinder. This one, diesel and that charcoal we are using that one only.
You're using the cylinder.
Diesel and charcoal. So later that all the paper were there, tissue paper and all, it just caught fire. And all these things are wooden.
दिया है हम भी बाहर था
कैसा ये गैस का वजह से?
नहीं गैस नहीं डीजल भट्टी से
डीजल से? डीजल कैसा हो?
डीजल भट्टी आता है बताइए
We have that tank now where we store diesel. So we dip that diesel into a pipe and then we burn the gas, that one stove. So ultimately that stove, the flame was high and it got oil, fire in that utensil now where the oil was kept.
Anyone got injured?
No, right now no injuries. So initially we have immediately evacuated all the gas cylinders. Be it empty also we have taken out. We tried all our efforts to clean the customers up and later the firefighters are here. Okay.
For once, I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style, bro. Style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.